Most people in the professional services world think that the point of thought leadership is to show off their knowledge and their wisdom, basically to show prospective clients and current clients and other target audiences that they are smart. Well, those people are wrong. Thought leadership in the professional services world isn't just about proving that you are smart. No, it's showing that you are relevant. Clients, prospective clients, members of the media, conference organizers, they already assume that professional services providers are intelligent, that they know their stuff. When you only focus on showing off what you know in a crowded marketplace, it's hard to stand out. You are simply showing the marketplace that you know what you're talking about, but they already know that you know what you're talking about. What clients want from the professional services providers is comfort, that those providers understand what's changing in the client's industry, in their market, in their regulatory environment, and in the world. Clients are seeking guidance that is timely, forward-looking, and relevant to what is happening in the world today. They don't just want the news, they want insight into the implications of the news and the trends that it's going to create for those clients. That's why thought leadership signals to clients and other target audiences relevance, not just knowledge or wisdom. When a professional services provider regularly publishes thought leadership content, it shows their target audiences, including clients, that they're paying attention. It demonstrates that the professional services provider isn't just knowledgeable and wise about the work that they do and the service areas that they provide, but also that they can be a partner with the client in navigating change, whether we're talking about economic trends, new tech disruptions, new case law that's coming down from courts, new administrative agency actions, whatever. There are no shortages of news items that are happening today, they'll happen tomorrow, they'll happen next week, that professional service providers can hop on and explain as a way to show clients and other target audiences that they understand what's happening today and that they are relevant for the client's needs. This type of thought leadership and this focus on relevance also shows empathy and a genuine understanding of a client's challenges, because you, the professional service provider, you're focused on content surrounding what clients are concerned about. And you are showing that you understand what clients are concerned about, why they're concerned. And you're showing why clients should be concerned by what's happening around them, and obviously potential ways to handle those new challenges and those events that are popping up around them. When a professional service provider's thought leadership positions them as relevant, it positions them as someone who can be a trusted advisor and can help clients navigate uncertainty created by world events and capitalize on new opportunities. When you are producing thought leadership with a focus on staying relevant, you are staying visible to your clients, prospective clients, media members, conference organizers, and other target audiences. You're increasing your visibility and you're increasing your credibility. You're attracting clients who are facing the kinds of challenges that you are writing about, but you're also deepening your relationships with your existing clients because you are letting them know that should they have issues and problems beyond what you're helping them with right now, but are related to what you're talking about in your ongoing thought leadership, that's an opportunity for them to retain you and to get more work from them. You're also opening doors to new opportunities such as speaking engagements or interviews with the media and hopefully articles in the media about the work you're doing, because you are positioning yourself at the bleeding edge of what's happening in the world. You are staying relevant. You are proving your relevance by always commenting on topics of relevance to your client's industry, to your clients in terms of a practice area. You are positioning yourself as relevant. The dirty little secret is it's not terribly difficult to produce thought leadership that signals to clients, prospective clients, the media, that you are relevant and that you are someone who can help with the issues of the day. One, you want to obviously tie your insights to current events, to emerging trends, to issues that clients are facing today and that you expect that they will face tomorrow. You always want to use the so what, now what framework when you are explaining the trend, when you're explaining the issue. It's not enough just to say this thing happened. You've got to provide the so what and the now what. So what, why does this matter? And now what? Okay, given what I just told you, here's what people in your industry, here's what similar companies, here's what people who are regulated by this regulator should be thinking. Probably the most important aspect here is to be consistent. Your relevance is going to fade if you are silent for long periods, if you are not in the marketplace of ideas contributing, if you are not getting in front of clients, prospective clients, referral sources, the media, conference organizers frequently, they're not going to remember you. They won't be able to associate you with relevance, and you will not come across as relevant. I'm not saying you need to produce thought leadership every day or every week, but certainly multiple times a month is a good start, and at least monthly, if you want to have any hope of being perceived as someone who is relevant and has their fingers on the pulse of what's going on in the world today, to show clients that you are someone that can help them with whatever issues that they are facing, for which they would normally hire someone like you. It's easy to think that thought leadership is just about knowledge and wisdom, but it's not. It's about relevance. It's about showing clients and other members of your target audience that you have your fingers on the pulse of what's happening today in the legal world, in the business world, in the industries in which your clients operate, and that you, through your analysis of all of these developments and issues, are the one who's qualified to help your clients deal with those issues and help them overcome obstacles that today's events or tomorrow's events might bring them. You're not just showing that you're smart, you're showing that you have the ability to lead them and guide them through periods of difficulty based on what's happening today and what will certainly happen tomorrow. If you're interested in learning how to create the kind of thought leadership that shows off your relevance and your ability to lead your clients today and tomorrow, check out lawfirmeditorialservice.com. We have more than 400 videos, blog posts, and podcast episodes that could help you do just that.